I'm the life of the party. If you call me the banger, I'm a name. For the club on the street, I wash and sing. Nedu Katim taking over the scene. I'm the life of the party. If you call me the banger, that's my name. In the club on the street, I watch and sing. Nedu Katim taking over the scene. Let me show you a good time. Party like the rest of the mankind. Walk on, play hard, it's the anthem. Allow me to win a boost, me canine. Wait a minute, I'm sure ya. Many little things, I'm sure ya. When you step on the floor, then enjoy ya. Right now, baby, do that.
If Nami the dance, you don't play anybody. If Nami the dance,
What?
if Nami the dance, now you go quick end them.
Drag. Is it drag? I am 9-1. Welcome back, man. On top the night show, man.
Nedu, my head they feel somehow.
Sorry.
You don't have already.
How many be this?
15.
I don't know, Nedu.
Anyway, now welcome back on top the night show. What we'll discuss today for night show now say you prefer to marry virgin a big person
or
will not be virgin. Person will don't the wipe potato, it don't get history. If they show you in CV, it could be like 10 commandments. Paka.
Nedu, your sleep as person. Oh, Nedu, your sleep as person. We don't say I onto wipe. Leave am like that.
Our phone
Which
numbers.
kind 10 commandment onto wipe?
No, it gets some people that go say, okay, I'm a wiper. I'm a wipist. Oh, you're a wipey. When I'm going to say we always talk wiping. But anyway, our phone numbers there on top of TV. Now make it begin colors. Make we know what you think about the matter. But as usual, make us start. But today I go start with Rasta. Rasta failure. I am 9 man. Show man.
Yeah, man, what people the media again. So what going? Where have it safe me now?
Go on.
It is from me. I used to move out of it.
Respect.
Respect.
Yeah, man.
No, about respect.
Respect. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Rasta. Rasta. Yeah, man. You go prefer to marry virgin or person will not be virgin?
Anyway, if I want to.
Oh, you don't speak virgin. No, continue. Rasta.
Come down for your level now.
No. I prefer Rasta man.
No,
Anyway.
Nedu, you know, confuse people outside. They feel not understand what they talk. Make him come down to our level.
All right. So I go like make a person will know the way. Not the truth.
The truth. Yeah, man. Person will know the way. Meaning the person will sabi.
You understand?
Oh.
Know your thing.
Why you want marry person will know the way and the truth and the life?
No.
Anyway, see, so what me I say, so. Now, when you run matters with person when know the way, when I not go argue now, and I go there on the same page.
Too often I could discover the
You
truth.
understand? I go not say okay, see if I go there arrive the destination. But if they run matters with, you know, we don't know the way, you got gas to explain. You they shout.
What is that? No, it's called snake and ladder.
You don't feel me?
I am man from Calabar. Good evening.
All right.
Right, man. Go sit down. I am man from Calabar. Good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Sister in the Lord, how is you?
Fine. Good evening.
Good evening. You prefer to marry man will be virgin or man will not be virgin?
I prefer to do me. I don't want marry man will be virgin.
You. Hey! Now man you be now. Why you go marry another man again?
Yeah.
I said I don't want marry woman will be virgin.
Okay, you know what marry woman will not be virgin?
Will be virgin.
I don't understand. Wait, which one you want?
They calm down. This thing, what are you saying now? Wait, this thing you say you want married person will be fetching?
Nedu.
Eh?
Nedu.
Yes.
Goodbye.
But wait, who be that sister where they near you?
I don't know.
Is she?
A virgin. Sorry.
Thank you. Peter, thank you. Tony from Ado Ekiti, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Tony, how you doing? How today?
I do all things now.
We did. Tony, the way you take the talk, I'm not sure say you want marry virgin.
I like when I do this night too.
Thank you. But Tony, the topic we're going to talk about whether you go like prefer marry virgin or not. Which one you prefer marry?
For that virgin case, now hello.
Virgin case, now wahala.
And now,
Why?
Virgin now.
You know they look well, my brother. You did.
I tell you, say when this guy first
Even the virgin Nigeria, they don't sell them.
So you prefer marry person will not be virgin, Abi?
The thing be say to marry virgin no be problem, but if person no dey stay for house na wahala o.
Okay, if you know they stay for house after marry virgin.
Like make I explain better.
Okay.
If say you marry virgin now, you know that thing now. If the virgin takes time, it go dey like make it dey. You understand now?
In body go scratch am, oh God, somebody come and touch me, Okoya.
And if the person here, if the husband no dey stay for, hello?
Yeah, man.
If
Hello?
for house, na wahala.
Okay.
Okay, you prefer marry person will not be virgin.
That one play o.
Okay, Zena from Zamfara, good evening.
Nedu, how are you?
Yeah, I'm Zainab. Oh God, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine too. Katim, how are you?
Jesus.
I'm all right, my sweet baby.
I like
Laugh
your
that,
dress.
abeg, Zainab, laugh that
Nedu,
laugh
I like
again.
your
Laugh that
dress.
laugh, Zainab, laugh that laugh again. Laugh that laugh again. Oh, Jesus! Zainab, are you a virgin or not?
Oh, shit.
No, I'm not because I'm married.
So, your husband married you as a virgin or not?
Yeah, he married me when I was a virgin.
Oh, virgin. No, oh.
Yeah.
Ngani, you go like, okay, you don't marry already. So, but say you
You
never,
say,
say if you say you never marry, you go like marry man will be virgin or man will not be virgin.
No, man will be virgin now.
But if una two and not be virgin,
Fetching.
una no go know now. That
no go
for
know.
instance, example, snake and ladder style. Una no go know.
We'll learn. We'll ask our friends.
Unakolen, Abi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Zainab, thank you very much.
Such a good girl.
Thank you.
Greet your husband.
From Abuja, good evening. Hello.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, good evening, my brother.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Chris. You go like marry virgin, and the person will not be virgin.
I'm not going to marry virgin.
Why now?
Why?
I mean,
It can't be like say to marry virgin na
somebody
problem.
and it's when
Why you not go like marry virgin?
they teach how to do it again.
Okay, you gonna teach them how to do them.
No, I don't want marry person when I go dey teach how to do it.
So you rather marry person where sabi,
Expert already.
person where don't get PhD.
Honestly. I'm telling you.
Oh, person when he be say, oh, Jideki, when he hold you. Oh. In case you don't know the topic,
you too much, oh.
in case you don't know the topic we're going to talk about today, on top of the night show, we say we could, sample this thing. Not be saying we like to talk about wiping too much, but now to get generally what people they think about some certain things. Not because okay, today make we talk about this matter. Since tomorrow the entire relationship Friday and the topic for tomorrow now sexual satisfaction. Make we discuss this one today before we enter tomorrow own. You go like marry virgin or person will not be virgin. What's in the Twitter? You get one guy who write message for Twitter. Fear no go let me read the guy message.
No. Me will not read that. I see the message. Emmanuel Green say, nice shoe, Nedu. Why the change of color from Jalo to red today? Anything special? Jace, me, I would love to marry a fashion. Oh, no first. Chidi say, I prefer non-fashion because experience count. It make the work easier.
Okay.
Messi, Sam say, I fit because my husband was fashion when she married him.
But wait, your husband, how they think they know say man na virgin?
No, you go know now.
Now lie, from Abia, good evening.
You know be fashion.
Hello, good evening.
I still be virgin now. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, madam.
How you doing, my brother?
I did fine. I just enjoyed this program. Now, saying, am I cheating something?
Oh, thank you. You go like marry virgin or person will not be virgin?
Man, I go like my will not be virgin. No.
Will not be virgin, Abi?
Will not be virgin, yeah.
Why?
I like to marry will not be virgin.
Why?
Yes.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
The reason they say I like my will not be virgin because if I marry person will not be virgin, you go like ourselves.
Okay. Una go lie to una self.
I'm online. Yeah, I go like ourselves.
You una go like una self. So if you marry who not be fashion, you not go like una self.
In fact, if you marry who be virgin, at least una two will just be aligned to una self and una go understand una self very well.
Una go know the way, the truth, and the life for una self. It's okay. It's all right, my brother.
Good evening.
It's okay.
So in saying you like marry virgin.
Good evening. Good evening.
Not be fashion.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother? Jeffrey.
This one, Nedu.
Jeffrey, you go like marry person will be virgin or person will not be virgin?
I don't marry already. Married man.
Say you never marry.
If I never marry,
Yes, you go marry person will be virgin or not?
there's no into my person is very because never take Nigeria again.
Where you they look, my
What
brother?
are you trying to say?
The more you look, the less you see.
Katim here is a virgin.
I don't know.
I am a virgin.
I never marry. I don't go marry person is very never do also.
Where your eye dey? You don't
Jeffrey,
put eye
you
for
are
cloud.
looking at, we are good ambassadors of virginity.
I will ask Kitri whether he be virgin marry.
I be fishing now.
Now, she be virgin now.
Now he be virgin.
My brother,
Now,
my
you-
virginity is intact.
When you don't marry, I take more children. You know what?
No, I say I be fishing. You dey doubt me?
All right.
Hey, Jeffrey, even myself, I'm a virgin.
Nedu be virgin.
This program don't fit and the women are not go for comedy. When I go comedy, when I go to comedy.
Jeffrey, thank you very much.
Jeffrey don't see us finish with this name.
Jeffrey, so you don't see us
I
finish
don't,
now?
I don't dey like this kind of thing.
Jeffrey,
If
good
na
night.
play, you stop.
Okay, back to you, Easy Beat. Oh, it is I don't forget you.
This easy laughter.
Easy Beat.
Easy after all, you don't blow now.
Tomorrow we go know how
Tomorrow,
far. Easy Beat, talk true. When you want marry, you go like marry virgin or person will not be virgin?
I like my vision.
Why you go like marry virgin?
No, you know, saying one open school of wiping. So, Isi na very good teacher. Na instructor him be.
Now where those are all
I don't know. Don't talk about that.
Now you say one, you and that girl. That day you say one body open school of wiping. The girl say she go follow you go to school of wiping.
Isi be school of wiping.
Easy.
Kinubutu. What's it? Ogene
Wait,
Kumono.
what it going to be the Easy Beat School of Wiping? It going to be ISOW. ISOW.
Wipe.
ISOW. Then when the day assembly.
Wiping.
No,
The
no.
payoff line could be wiping to last a lifetime.
No. They go say ISOW. When the day assembly, Easy Beat School of Wiping, it go be ISOW. The for assembly, they go shout ISOW. Wiping. Wiping. ISOW. From Bayelsa Evening, good evening. How you doing? Reduce your TV volume, I beg. Good evening.
Good evening.
You don't marriage?
Yeah, I don't.
Okay, before as if say you never marry. You go fit marry man will be virgin or man will not be virgin.
Okay, I get two answers to the question.
Okay.
If I say woman, I go marry man when he may be virgin.
We don't
We not be virgin. We don't tear eye,
for
abi.
wiping.
But if I say man, I go like marry woman when be virgin.
Give us your reasons.
For the two answer.
For the woman out there, you say I like to marry man when be virgin so that I'm not going to go outside.
Okay, you're not gonna go outside.
Complete satisfaction from a man.
Okay, okay. Now be say when you marry your husband, you not be virgin.
I don't feel outside that one.
You dey plead the
My
Fifth
sister,
Amendment.
you don't do your thing. God do it. Bye bye. Okay, Zia from Lagos. Good evening. Okay, Zia.
Nedu.
Hey, Gracie baby. What's up? Nah, they're fine, no, sweetheart.
Daddy, your program.
Now, what do you say for?
I beg, I go one marry Kati, say, be a virgin. Make she become my husband's second wife.
Katim is Tiaraba.
If I marry your husband and second wife, no, I don't want to break home.
I want to make my husband marry virgin.
No. Oh, okay, but me not marry me.
But Grace, me, I'm still a virgin. How far?
Neru is fishing.
Anyway, I don't like person, marry person with the virgin. Because when you marry them, if you don't see them work, they go sabi pass you.
Are you talking from experience? Jesus!
Blood of God!
Blood of God!
Wow!
Wow! Grace, thank you. God bless you. The Lord knows your needs. He will meet you at the point of your needs.
Oh my God! Yeah.
Honor do go from first stack.
No, Honor do go.
Yeah.
You know fit
Honor do
ever
go
marry.
not fit marry virgin.
Honor do.
Honor do go can
You
never
can
marry
never marry
virgin.
virgin.
I can
No.
vouch.
Prove us wrong.
Honor do go ngwa talk.
Remember.
Prove us wrong.
See, Kati,
Ma?
Kati, see your mouth.
You know fit marry fashion. You.
Your mouth.
I know you rich ass.
Red.
You know fit marry fashion.
See, so marry virgin, na wahala. Because virgin no know what thing they go do for inside the house.
You know if you teach
They
them.
don't know whether they go hang for burglary proof or anything.
Now, if you tell them, if you touch them from bed, you go say, what do you want to do me? What do you want to do me?
What do you want to do me?
What do you want to do me?
You talk from experience.
You're a bad sharp guy.
Say.
With your friend, I tell you.
Bye. Bye. From Cross River, good evening, because. Hey. Hello.
Hello.
Hey. Joli, how now?
Fine, Nedu, good evening.
Julie, I'm not sure say you be virgin.
I don't be virgin, I don't marry.
Hey, I hear that for your voice. I hear no virgin. Julie, I didn't be you never marry. You for marry man will be virgin or man will not be virgin.
I go marry man will be virgin. If I find man will be virgin, when they still no work, how you want me to take do?
Hey, you must work now. You go teach them.
Wait, Julie, when you marry, you be virgin?
I don't be virgin when I marry.
Oh.
Jesus!
Oh.
Okay, Julie, why you go? Okay, you don't really give your reason why you not go like marry virgin.
I see you. You know, go fit teach them.
If I can't go reach out now, they still know the perform. What do you want me to do?
I know go perform. Of course, you go perform. Now you go teach them.
She reverse.
All this nail and ladder.
I never done before. If I do, they still know reach out.
Okay, no be quarrel, no face. We not dey fight.
Let me virgin. You also have to be virgin, though.
Oh, okay, you dead there?
I don't hear the do.
You be virgin when you marry her?
Every one of us be virgin, no. Don't be virgin.
Una two don't dey do it.
Stop primary school.
I thank you. Hey, una CV get like 200 pages. Amarachi from Wari, good evening. Hey, Amarachi.
Hello, Nedu, good evening.
Hey, non-virgin, good evening.
Hello, Nedu, good evening.
Amarachi, good evening. Giwakwa.
Hello, Nedu.
Hey, Amarachi, now walking in.
Good evening. How far are you there?
Giwakwa, how far? How you? They never answer you.
What did they happen now?
Oh, Amarachi, are you a virgin or not?
I'm not a virgin. What did happen?
You don't marry.
No be police matter.
You don't marry.
Yes, I don't marry.
Okay, I didn't say.
Yes.
Amarachi, wait. I didn't say you never marry. You go like marry man will be virgin or man will not be virgin.
I know will be my man will be virgin.
Why?
Why?
Be wife now. You know what I be wife.
You know what I be wife.
But you will not be fashion. You know for teach them.
But you will not be okay. Before you marry your husband, you be virgin or not?
I don't be virgin.
Amarachi, good night, Ibiko. Hey, Clement. Good evening. Oh, who there the phone line? Clement. Hello, Clement.
Good evening, Nedu.
Clement,
good evening.
Clement.
Clement, how you there now?
I do fine, oh. That matter, get as it be, oh.
How you get as it be?
The TV say me, I don't feel marry virgin.
Clement, why now? Why?
Nedu, you get time we be say the friend one girl like that, we be say, na virgin should be.
Okay.
Before I even touch her like this, now see they shout, wahala, you get. My neighbor gone dey say, wetin be this one? Why this one? They shout my name for window, Clement, wetin you dey do?
You got to say you dey play snake and ladder, or you dey do suwe?
I dey try to beg her. Wait, make her tell her wetin they do. He dey shout, but if I dey touch her, they tweet her, they shout. So, let you get her the
Clement, thank you, baby. Hey, babe, before we go market, they get one thing will happen to my friend. Where would they school? Where would they school? He carry one. This girl na virgin. He carry the girl go on top. They on top bed. They on top bed. He dey press the guy. The guy dey press him. Pressy. When the guy won't come, do everything. Then the guy can say, "What are you doing? Are you trying to take me to bed?" Then the guy say, "Now bed you there now. You know what I mean? Are you trying to take me to bed?" When they come back, make we talk about it. People don't spoil, no. Almost everybody wake up. They know what. Is there hope for people like us? No.